Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Yizocom. Today's video it's about Uthando Nesithembu. Guys, last episode Musa was inviting people to come to his ceremony. Now the day has come. The ceremony is in process. Macele, Musa and children went to the hunt for burning incense, telling Mselu ancestors that his life is saved since he was in and out from the hospital, and thanked them for helping him growing his family, and he begged them to continue to protect him and his family also. Then he thanked Macele, Mayeni, Makumalo, and also Mangwabe for helping him by expanding the family. Then he begs Gokflo for Snare's behavior to change because he don't want to come back to Gokflo reporting that he has a issue with someone else. Suddenly Mseleku said Usne and Pumelelo might have same blood but not with the same action, like having kids, and think Musa will take care of those kids, but he will never, because if they gave birth to their children, they supposed to take care for themselves. Ceremony proceed. 3 wives are not there, but Mayene is around the yard, but not on the family gathering. Musa said the ceremony is continuing with or without them. Then Macele tells Babake that they must leave the children slaughtering the goat. Duma family has arrived. Macele welcomed them. Then she let them in. Musa went to greet them and explain to them what the ceremony is about. And that ceremony is held at Kwa Macele because Musa said Macele is the only wife who opens her heart. Mayeni arrived as a guest. Then Macele asked Babake about whereabouts of other wives. Does he invite them? Tobani said, yes, I told them, but Makumala is the only one I hint her on what I'm going to do on this day. But I never told the others every details. I only invited them for ceremony. Guys, Makumalo and Mangwabe, they also joined the ceremony. While Mseleku saw them, he said, they're getting news on what they're doing. Whenever they have ceremony in Kwamselegu, they arrive after the guest. The process continues. Musa introduced his wife to the guest, explained what the ceremony is about, and he also announced that there is a new wife outside. So it's his pleasure to the guest to go and see her. It's where Vukile stand up and asked Mseleku, which wife said, new wife mustn't seen inside the yard. She must stand up and confirm that. Then Makumada stand up. She shared her side of the story. Firstly, she greeted the house at large and opened up. In this family, we thought that there is a ceremony of Thanksgiving. Then the rest, she don't know anything about it. Only Macele and Selegu who will confirm everything. While Macele seemed surprised, Mangwabe also stood up and laid her suggestion. She said, since Mtombeni and others are not okay about this situation, everyone should follow Mtombeni's instructions. Then she seated. Mayeni, she also stand up, greet everybody, chief and vice chairperson. She said, Mtombeni, he is not okay, as everybody seen him. But when it comes to a new wife introduction, she don't know anything. And to mix unrelated matters, that will hold us back. So since Mtombeni have 4 wives who take care of him, he should let them know about new wife issue, not to surprise them. So what he's doing is like a joke. She ended up calling Umusa as a crook, and she said if she knew that the ceremony included Mselegu's girlfriend, she won't bother herself about attending that ceremony. Guys, On a previous episode, Makumalo advised Mtombeni not to combine Thanksgiving ceremony and also the introduction of the new wife. Mtombeni was fuck. Guys, I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.